Monthly earnings. Mr. Nightmare 43K for 10 million views for long-form videos. I've researched the most successful channels covering horror niche. Do you also want to start earning from long-form videos? It is easy and you can start today. Soon, I'll show you a detailed step-by-step tutorial for complete beginners. I will use only free AI tools. At the end of the video, I'll show you the result of today's work, so watch until the end. Content preparation by ChatGPT. After analyzing the biggest horror channels, Mr. Nightmare, Stop 5 IMRScaryTales, and Dark 5 TV, I found that the most popular topics are true horror stories. Now, I just need to insert into ChatGPT the prompt, create list of most scary true historical horror stories, which is not well known. Then, I'll choose one topic that appeals to me the most. To create the final story, I'll use the transcript of the most popular video from the Mr. Nightmare channel with more than 1 million views. I'll right-click and copy the video URL. I'll download the transcript using the online tool Tactic and then insert the file into ChatGPT with prompt. Create narrative text storytelling format that includes a compelling hook to draw people's attention for YouTube 2 minutes video in first-person perspective, and in the style of the transcript of the illustrating video in attachment. Also, create prompts for DALL-E 3 with horror, scary hyper-realistic style ratio 16.9 for each sentence. The final text will be about the Greenbrier Ghost, 1897, creating images with Leonardo. I recommend using the Leonardo.ai, which has free 150 credits daily and creates photorealistic images. First, I log into my account and then select the Leonardo Diffusion XL model. In the left settings panel, I choose 2 images and set the input dimension to 16.9. Then, I just need to insert the prompt generated using ChatGPT and download the individual photos. Creating animations with Pika. You will need Discord account and invitation from Pika, link in description. On the right side, click on Pika bot and then write a message. In the next step, you will have a private conversation. Just type prompt, animate and paste individual pictures. If you don't like the resulting animation, you can use the runway tool, which is also free. Again, just log into your account, click on the Start with Image button and select an image. Then, just click on the Generate For As button and wait to download the resulting video. Remember that animation tools may have trouble generating photorealistic people movements. You will get better results with animating landscapes and objects. If you want to enlarge the video for free, you can use the CapCut Video Upscaler in the Magic Tools section. Creating voiceover with 11 Labs. In ChatGPT, I create a text transcript using the prompt, create a raw script in one continuous paragraph without visual suggestions. I then insert this text into the text-to-speech tool 11 Labs. First, I select the original voice style. I click on Voice Lab, add generative or clone voice, and then voice library. In the filter, I select narrative and a female voice. I like the voice of Penelope the most, so I click on Add to Voice Lab. Now, I select this voice in the settings section and insert the raw script into the text field and click on Generate. Creating video with CapCut. Now, I'll create the final video. I upload all the files using the Import button. Then, I drag the files onto the timeline below. I remove the watermark by enlarging the video and setting the speed to 0.5 in the settings on the right side. I'll add a film frame to effect to the whole video. For each video, it's also a good idea to add a slow zoom in effect in the scene settings by clicking on the diamond and then zooming in the scale section. Next, I create subtitles using text, auto captions, create it appears in the selection. Then, I increase the font size, choose the style, and place the subtitles in the center. Then, I insert sounds that fit the scenes. And finally, I choose suitable music. I recommend not using the CapCut library to avoid a copyright strike. I use the free YouTube library, or 3 downloads per month, from thetool.com. I'm interested in songs from the dark category. I put all used links in description. And now you can see shortcut of final video.
In 1897, in the quiet town of Greenbrier County, West Virginia, a story unfolded that would etch itself into the annals of the supernatural. I am Elva Zona Heaster, and this is my tale, a narrative that transcends the boundary between life and death. My life, once...
What do you think? Leave your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching today's video on the Extra Income channel. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't miss our next interesting video.